Represented by number 89, Gaspar Agustin, number 19. And T penetrate. What a nice layup by Agustin. Aquino to Raven. Raven. Give it back from the side. What a nice team. Raven shot back. What a nice back. This. To Raven. Raven. Get the bola. Get from the three. Power move by Kimi. Kimi again from the three. Three points. Number 7, Ventura penetrate.
Ay!
Jimmy. Number 7 to Raven. To Aquino. To number 4. Pass. No good. Rebound by Benji. To Agustin. 11. Agustin.
Guwapo.
By Raven.
Ganyan, mas gaganahan.
To Agustin. To Jeffrey. To pass. No good. Rebound by Agustin. What a power shot by Agustin. Number 4 of Kabus. Raven. Number 4. Jimmy penetrates. Pass. No good. Rebound by number 7. Ventura. To Agustin. Number 19. Agustin pass. There's a block by Jimmy Basilio. Pass to Raven. Raven. Pass. No good. Rebound by Agustin. Number 4. Good. Good.
Pakarang-harang naman.
Aquino guarded by Santiago. Jimmy.
Kailangan nakaupo.
Aquino again. Pass. Good for 2. 4. Get back. 2.
Triples to 2.
Agustin at the midcourt.
Uy!
Looking for his teammate. Intercepted by Jimmy. Kevin. Deleted by Raven. Kabuts ball. Santiago. Number 29 of Kabuts. By Raven. Looking for pass to Santiago. Santiago. Banking a good rebound by 10 seconds. Eight, 7. Jimmy. CJ. What a nice layup by CJ Aquino. Agustin. At the center. To Santiago. Santiago guarded by number 11. Aquino. Back to Agustin. 10 seconds. Shut down. 9, 8, 7. Rafi no good. Rebound by number 23. Rafi. Number 23. Nice, good. Counter foul. Committed by number 7. Ventura Kabuts.
First foul, first team foul.
First personal foul. First team foul. Polo shot. Rafi, no good. Score 6-2. 4-point lead by Newborn Etiba. Santiago. Santiago penetrates. No good. Rebound by Rafi. Number 23 of Newborn Etiba. To Raven. Raven of the midcourt. To Rafi. To Raven. To Aquino. To Raven. To Jimmy from the three. No good. Rebound by Santi Agustin. At the midcourt, looking for his teammate, to Santiago, to Ventura from Pasto. Benji pass, no good. Rebound by Gili. Gili pass from the center, no good. Rebound by Santiago. Santiago up there, sa traveling call by Santiago. Newborn at backboard. Last 6 minutes and 41 seconds. To Aquino. To number 4. To Raven. Raven guarded by Santiago. Pass! What a nice move by Raven. To score. 8-2. 6-point lead by Newborn Edgar. Mainit po, mainit. Santiago at the center. This ball committed by Newborn Edgar.
6-10.
Ventura pass! What a nice move, side step. Score 8-4. Aquino, guarded by Agustin. Aquino to Jimmy. Jimmy to number 4. To number 23. Rocky. Santi. To Santiago. Musco. Sidestep by Dankoban.
Defense.
And 6.
A blocking violation committed by Newborn Edgar. Santi to Santiago. Santiago penetrates. What a nice layup by Santiago.
Galing tol.
Score 10-8. 2-point lead by Newborn Edgar. Raven to Rocky. Back to Raven. Raven guarded by number 4. To Aquino CJ from the 3. No good. Rebound by Santiago. Santiago again. Guarded by Raven. Pass. No good. Rebound by Santiago again. No good. Rebound by Raven. Raven. Aquino. To Jimmy from the 3. No good again. Santi. Up. There's a foul committed by number 1 of Raven.
First foul, first team
First
foul.
foul. First team foul. Cambio, cambio. Cambio.
Wala, uminit na.
Score 10-9. 1-point lead by Newborn Edgar. Jimmy at the midpoint. Guarded by Agustin. Agustin to CJ. CJ from the 3. No good again. Ventura rebound.
Remo, ay cambio eh. Ay cambio.
Ventura at the midpoint.
Remo, ay cambio.
Gaspar. 8-9 na pabot. At Santiago. What a nice effort. No good. Rebound by Rafi.
Jimmy.
Committed by Gaspar. Cambio. Gaspar. First personal foul. Second team foul. Cambio. Number 1 of Eddie back out. AJ. In. Number 64. Aquino committed. Guarded by number 4. AJ from the 3. No good. Pwede sila sa 3-point ngayon. Wala pa pumapasok. Agustin. Attacking. Pass!
Uy, grabe.
By Agustin, number 19 of Caboose. Score. 11-10. James Pedro. 1 point lead by Caboose. AJ. Attacking. Pass! Wala na set up. Hinakaling. Hinakalang. Substitution. Cambio.
Pangalan nun? AJ. 64.
64.
Grade 11.
Garma, number 3 of Caboose LRT at Cavite. To Santi. To Ventura back to Santi. Santi from the three. Goal! Agustin. 3-4. Score. 14-12. Triple kick by Caboose. But the next one. Mark, the number 4 pass, Caboose, given by Dante. To Agustin. Agustin again. New ball. Etiba.
16-12.
Score. 16-12. 4-point lead by Caboose.
Paniran na eh.
Mahihain siya, mahihain.
Mayayain oh.
Dahil na yung mga Patricia.
Paniran na eh.
Paniro, ang ganda sana yun.
Pinasa pa. Okay, back to the ball game.
Wala sa bela. Iinom pa.
Music Underground. Gapo, bumalik pala. Masakit na naman yung pin nito. Sakit?
Last 2 minutes in the first quarter. Okay.
Natalo na eh, kaya wala sakit-sakit.
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Okay, back to the ball game.
Para matutog.
Farewell na ngayon eh, farewell na.
Last night ba?
Farewell! Respect na.
Inbound. 23. Up. Again, no! What a nice shot. Ay. Valentin Andrei, top new ball Etiba. De La Cruz, number 9 of the booth. Looking for his limit to Gaspar. Pass, no good, rebound by EJ. Number 11 of new ball Etiba. Last 1 minute and 40. DJ Pass! Using the glass. All. Score. 16-all. Deadlock. Second deadlock of the game. De La Cruz. Ready to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Up. There's a traveling violation committed of EJ. Number 64 of newborn, Etiba. Last 1 minute in the first quarter. Garma from the 3, no good. Rebound by Gaspar. Follow-up shot, no good. Rebound by Rafi. Intercepted by Garma. Gaspar to Garma. Garma to De La Cruz. Ready to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 5. Just 37 seconds. 37 seconds. Aquino at the midfield. Still dribbling. Guarded by number 9, De La Cruz of the booth. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6. No good. Rebound by the last 15. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Official score, 19-16.
Official score for the first quarter. 19-16. 3-point lead by to De La Cruz, number 9 of the Roots. At the midcourt, pass to Garma. Garma penetrates. Back to Gaspar. Up! There's a foul committed by number 2 of Newborn Etibak, Denmark. Bonus shot. Gonna shoot, no good. Rebound by Mark. Pass! No good. Rebound, up. There's a lane violation committed by number 89.
10 seconds.
Last 14 from the three, no good. Rebound by the third. There's a call committed by number 8 of Etibak, Tolentino. Second team foul. First personal foul. Gaba from the three, no good. Rebound by number 4 of Cavite to Denmark. Denmark orchestrating the attack. EJ from the three. EJ, 3-point. Score 21-19. 2-point lead by Rabut LRT. De La Cruz at the midcourt. Still dribbling. Pass to Ventura. Ventura to De La Cruz again. 12 seconds shot clock. 8, 9. No good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Count it. Denmark, number 2. EJ from the three again. Pass! And roll. Rebound by number 7, Dante. To number 9, De La Cruz.
Bebo, ay cambio.
At the midcourt, guarded by number 64, EJ. To Garmat. To Gaspar. Penetrates. No good. Rebound by Benji. No good. From the three again, EJ. No good. Rebound by Denmark. Intercepted by Garma. Pass to Benji. Hindi na kaya abutin. Loose ball. Number 9 out of Roots, number 21, Salamanca. In. Mark to Denmark. At the center, there's the interception by 89, loose ball. Tolentino, inbound by Tolentino, looking for a single. To Mark. Money. 10 seconds at time. EJ, no good. Rebound by Samaniego. Samaniego to Ventura. To Gaspar. Kasama ka ba yun? Same ball. 14. Last 14. 10, 9, 8. Gana from the three, no good. Rebound by Mark. The money. 364. Denmark again. Walk.
Si Mark, puro pasa. Hindi, puro pasa. Nakatatlo pasa. Kevin, tignan mo yung nagtitras ha. Hindi na nakukuha ba? Nakukuha ko. Puro pasa.
Tira. Last 60. Ventura to Garma. To Ventura. 10 seconds at last. Benji, no good. Rebound again by Benji. Benji to Garma. Garma from the three, no good. Rebound by Denmark. But Tolentino counted to 3. 24-21. Cambio. Salamanca number 21 at the center. Pass to Garma. Garma to the spot. Pass from the side. No good. Rebound by EJ. EJ still sitting at the center. And the straight to the attack. Pass. No good. Rebound by the spot. Santo. To Ventura. Benny takes. Pass. Shot. Rebound by Benji. Up power. Rebound by Benji. Denmark to number 4. To Aquino, no good. Rebound number 4. Pass. No good. Rebound by
Parang natatakot siya. Parang natatakot.
Number 21, Kabut. To Garma. To Ventura. 10 seconds at that. 8, 7. No good. Rebound by Denmark. Slowly bleeding. First attack leader by number 7. Gaspar. Pass base. Pass. No good. Rebound by Gaspar again. Take a pitch again. Pass. There is a contact. Committed by number 4.
Número 4, minutos.
Time out! Kabuts! LRT!
Mainit na.
Score still 24-21. 3-point lead by LRT Kabuts. Last 4 minutes in the second quarter.
Tangina, kinain lahat ni ano yung Elford eh. Paul, natira ka? Paul,
Hoy!
natira ka?
Ibing ka!
Natira ka ba?
Let's welcome the riding of our coach Edson Antonio with his family.
Ayaw po itira.
Ha?
Ano kaya yun?
Nahihiya eh.
Ano ba, nahihiya ka ba?
Nahihiya.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Panirang eh.
Pakitakin lang pakitakin ang uniform.
Siga eh. Oh, takin.
Putang na si Jimmy, mamatay na to. Putla na ako.
Ha?
Payat-payat na, putla ako.
Sa bulat.
Puyat daw siya eh. Puyat.
Ha? Kailangan daw
Gaspar from the line. First free throw, it's good. Second free throw. It's good again. 2 for 2.
26.
Score 26-21. 5-point lead. Denmark number 2. Open up to Jimmy. There's a steal. Agustin. Nice. Good. May konting awa po tayo. 28-21. 7-point lead. Raven. Pass to Denmark. Rapi, upgrade it. There's a foul committed by number 7.
Fouls.
Hindi ko man ako.
Two fouls.
Nakapicture na kami ha.
Second personal foul, number 7. First team foul. Denmark. Guarded by Salamanca. Rapi, a power move. What a nice power move by Rapi. Number 23 of Epica. Last 3 minutes. Last 3 minutes. To Salamanca to Ventura, pass to Samaniego, Santiago pass, so good. Rebound by Gaspar, there's a block and by Gideon, intercepted the ball. To Raven attacking to Gini pass.
Yabang.
Gini 2 points.
Substitution.
Score 28-25.
Ay, cambio, Pep.
Cambio.
Kabul. To Salamanca. 10 seconds One shot clock. Nice. No good. Rebound by Jimmy. Connected ko na. To Raven. Raven. Guarded by Salahangkar. Jimmy from the three. No good. Rebound by Rapider sa ball again.
Tatlo na, Manay.
Wala sa Ventura dyan. Last 2 minutes.
8-9.
Kaya bata. Manay.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes.
Dalawa.
Last power, operating ang goods. 2
Paring Jimmy,
pounds.
gumagaling ka paring Jimmy ha?
Dos.
Second personal foul.
Hindi, Jimmy Dick ang pangalan niya. Jimmy Dick.
Last 2 minutes ha?
Rocky is from his first vehicle. Double last shot.
Mr. Bidingka oh, puyat.
Rocky again. Only 1 point. Score 28. Agustin. Rebound by Rocky. Rocky to Raven. Raven at the mid-court. Kelvin. Rocky to CJ. CJ from the 3. 4. CJ. 3-5. Takes paper na po tayo. 29-28. 1 point lead by Caboose. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Santiago no good. Rebound by Baltas Gaspar. Gaspar penetrate. No good again. Rebound by Santiago for the two. 30-29. 1 point lead by Caboose. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Jordanis to Jordanis again from the tee. And last 1 minute. Santiago loses the ball. Cabinis ball. Last 50 seconds. Raven. CJ from the tee again. CJ. 3 points.
CJ Perez.
3 points by CJ. Spell 32-30. Last 32 seconds. To Santiago by Jago Tempo. Rebound by Red. Last baseline. A foul committed by Santiago. Timeout. Newport. Etiba. Last 20 seconds remaining in the second quarter. The score 32-30. 2-point lead by Newborn Etiba.
Newborn Bibingka.
This timeout is brought to you by Bibingka. Courtesy of Clifford.
20 seconds. 20 seconds ha? 20 seconds.
Sino ba kukuha na?
Mamaya pinising sinabi. Oo, wala pa rin ako nasimulan eh.
Hindi, pero ibig sabihin yung paisa-isa.
Oo, paisa.
Okay, back to the ball game. Last 20 seconds remaining
Mamaya na lang.
in the second quarter.
Oh, yung halftime. Halftime na lang.
Oh, sige. Next ako to one. Gusto mo? Oo. Saan ka ba? Dito ka? Ano mo yan? Kain ba ito kay Ariel?
Sige, ano naman siya.
Hey, beat is ball. Last 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Okay, Mark. Raven. Last 15. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Campo!
Halftime yan, ha?
Okay, tapos na po tayo yung second quarter. Official score, 32. Vamos! Raven to Aquino. Aquino looking for his teammate. Pass. Intercepted by number 89. Gaspar to Agustin, number 19. 19 penetrate. What a nice layup by Agustin. Okay, third deadlock. 30-all. Jimmy to Raven. Raven to Aquino. Aquino to Raven. Raven to Jimmy back from the side. Nice. Preliminary shot by number 7. Jimmy, the 6-or-1 ball. Agustin, running by Jimmy. Agustin penetrate. What a nice pass. But there's a miss. Pass to Raven. Penetrate ang bola. They score. 36-32. 4.8 by New Borneo. 10 seconds shot. 9. 8. Goal.
3 seconds.
3 seconds shot clock. 3 seconds shot clock.
3.
3, 2, 1. Tempo!
Tempo.
24.
Dapat pa pito.
Oh, pito nga. Nasa yung pito natin?
Pito man lang.
Dalawa kasi nun.
Pre, nasa yung pito?
Wala.
Ready na ito. Guarded by Santiago to Jimmy. Jimmy. Back to Jimmy. Jimmy to DJ from the 3. No good. Rebound by Jimmy. A tower move by Jimmy. Jimmy again from the 3. Jimmy. 3 points.
Yabang mo.
Score 39-32. 7-point lead by Newborn Espa. Santiago to Ventura. Pass to. There's a foul. Who's foul?
Mira ahí, mira los dos ahí.
Esos dos veo.
Los dos tienen que mirar este, ¿vale?
Esos dos.
23
Los dos,
falta,
¿vale?
¿no? Falta el 23. Vale. Tienen que mirar este, ¿vale?
23.
Cambio.
Bebo, esos dos. Míralo.
Uy, míralo bien estos.
Mira.
Ya le pitamos la falta. Vale. Sí, míralo esos dos.
Si no, échalo los dos. Ya está.
Vale.
Okay, Santi fires. Luego iba by CJ on the striking block. Not Cavite. To Raven. To Tolentino. Shot. And by Agustin. Agustin is giving attack. Pato Santiago. But there's a loose committed by Capuch.
Yan na. Mainit na to.
DJ. Guarded by Santiago. Santiago intercepted by Santiago. Up there's a foul committed by Valentino number 8. You go left back.
Second team foul.
Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Alas 5 na umuwi.
Okay. Awarded by 2 free throws. Santiago, number 29.
Walang shot pero daming rebound.
First free throw, no good.
Itong ano ko, sumbok na rin ikaw.
Second free throw, no good again. But Santiago, no good. Rebound by Mark. Manny. Rafi, up. CJ pass. No good. Rebound by Gaspar, number 89. To Santiago Santi.
Pero ay cambio
Guarded by DJ to Alcazar. Cambio. Same ball.
Pasok. Santiago out.
Sabi mo pagka
39-32.
magkano dito ka mo ha. Pag magsasab.
Cambio natin sa mesa po tayo sa mesa. Gaspar, Santi from the 3, no good. Rebound by number 4. Foul, number 9, De La Cruz of Caboose.
First foul.
First personal foul. First team foul. CJ. Number 11 of Cavite. Guarded by Santiago. To EJ. EJ to pass. Using the back. No good. Rebound by Kenjike. Dito number 9. Number 9 orchestrating by no good. Last 5 minutes. 5. No good again. Gaspar 5. Good for 2. EJ to CJ. Score 39-34. 5-point lead by Etiba. DJ to CJ from the 3. No good. Rebound by Tolentino. Pass. What a nice 2-point by Tolentino, number 8 of Etiba. He scored 41-34. 7-point lead by Etiba. Number 9, De La Cruz. Guarded by CJ. Penetrate. Fire to back. Dante from the side. A perimeter shot by Dante Ventura. Inbound by CJ Acanito. Last 4 minutes. Last 4 minutes. 14 seconds shot clock. Valentino penetrate 5. Intercepted by Dante to Gaspar. Gaspar attacking to Benji Fans. Benji, what a nice 2-point by Benji. Time out. Etiba. He scored 41-38. 3-point lead by Newborn. Etiba. Last 3 minutes and 33 seconds remaining in the third quarter.
Nakita niyo may init ng 23. Technical no score. Siguiente.
Hindi, pero abisuhan din natin yung mga coach.
Para nila yun eh.
Sa referee nila.
Kasama dyan. Kaya referee ang dapat sasabihan na hindi coach. Alam nila yan. Kaya hindi kanila yan.
Okay, back to the ball game. Okay.
Parehas. Tingnan mo. Magaling na maglaro. Ano lang yun?
Ulitin pa nila.
Okay, Cavite's ball. Last 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Aquino of the midcourt. Oh, there's an interception delivered by Santi. Santi. Gaspar to number 7 and to the benefit. Using the nice power. Okay, 1-point lead ha, 1-point lead. Ng Cavite. EJ. Nice, na good. Rebound by Dante Ventura. To the left post, number 9 of Caboose. Last 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining in the third. Last 14 seconds shot clock. 10, 9, there's a foul committed by EJ, number 64 of Cavite.
First foul, 13 foul. 13 foul, pare.
2:30. Minutes 30.
Last 13 seconds shot clock. Oh, there's a foul again committed by number 15 of Etiba. Warning for penalty. Newborn Etiba. 15. 10 seconds shot clock. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. What a nice 2 points by Agustin. Okay, board. 42 and fourth one, 1.85.
Shot, kuya.
Last 2 minutes. Again, the point. Last 1 minute and 50 seconds. Santi. Guarded by Mark. Offensive foul.
Stop, boss.
Substitution. Cambio, cambio. Susi.
Pasok, pasok.
139.
Last 1 minute and 39 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Raven. Raven from the three. No good. Rebound by Raven again. Raven. 8 pass. No good again. Follow by Rafi. No good. There's a foul again. Penalty. A foul by number 15 of Newborn Edema. Penalty. Mark Money. The 360. Floor police.
122.
Santiago at the free throw. First free throw. Second free throw. Okay. Score. Fourth deadlock. All 43. Raven. To Rafi. To Aquino. Aquino from the three. And ball. Rebound by Dante. A pass straight. But there's interception committed by EJ. EJ guarded by Santiago. To Raven. Raven. To Rafi. To floor release. Nangangapa.
Nangangapa pa rin. Kailan nititira?
To Rafi. Rafi. 9. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1.
Contact.
Canasta. What a nice 3-point shot. Bye. Up. Again. Counted to be the by Mark.
By 46.
First foul.
Number 15.
45-46.
Sinong foul doon?
Kings. Si Mark.
Tres, tatlo na ha.
Si 360.
Third personal foul. Mark.
Floor release.
Tatlo na si Mark.
Tatlo. Ganda na lang ginawa, 3 points.
Kasi pag mag-best player sa 360 na money, 360.
One shot. Gaspar.
All.
Okay.
24 seconds.
Deadlock na po tayo ha. Fifth deadlock. Last 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Raven. To Mark. Mark looking for his teammate. Pass to number 4 from the center of good rebound by Santiago. A pass from De La Cruz. Pass na good. There's a foul committed by De La Cruz.
9 seconds.
A pushing foul.
Left.
Last 9 seconds. Last 9 seconds. 9 seconds in the third quarter.
Bilang.
Rafi. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tempo!
All.
Okay. You scored.
All 46.
All 46. All 46. We are now in the fourth quarter. Okay. Kamas ball. Garma Donald Mitford. Looking for his team. He's still dribbling, guarded by Denmark. To Gaspar from the center. Rebound by Rafi. Rafi to CJ. To Denmark. To Denmark. To CJ from the three. No good. Rebound by Garma. Garma to Santi. Number 19. Penetrate 5. No good. Rebound by Denmark. What a nice rebound by Denmark. Number 2. Jimmy to Rafi. Rafi to number 4. To Jimmy from the side center. Good. What a nice move by Jimmy, the Switzerland boy. Mawa ka naman dyan. Number 3 Garma to Santi. Ventura from the 3. Now good rebound by CJ Aquino. From the center, pass from the 3. Now good rebound by Santiago to Garma. Garma at the rebound. Attacking. There is a block. Okay. Cabides ball. Loose ball. Committed by Garma. Okay, inbound play. Rafi to Denmark. Denmark at the midcourt. To number 4 from the side. No good. Rebound by Dante Ventura. To Agustin. Number 19. Jimmy to Garma. Garma to Santiago. Santiago from the 3. No good. Rebound by loose ball. Committed by number 7, Jimmy. Imagay Gaspar. To Garma. Last 10 seconds shot clock. 9, 8, 7, Ventura. Okay, all. 60 o'clock to tayo. Potato. Denmark. Guarded by Garma. There is a foul committed by number 3, Garma. First personal foul. First team foul. Denmark again. CJ from the 3. No good. Rebound by number 5. Shot. Follow up. Go to the game. Up. There's a fumble. Cabides ball.
Bata mahulog.
Rapi at the inbound. Angle goal. Looking for his teammate. To number 4, Rapi. Rapi penetrate. Pass. Good for 2. Okay. 48-46. 2-point lead by 42. 50-40. 2-point lead. Gaspar penetrate. Attack ball by Rapi. CJ to Jimmy card to Rapi. There's a foul. Committed by number 19, Santi Agustin of Cabuts. Rapi awarded 2 free throws. Second team foul. Last 7 minutes. Okay, Rapi first free throw connect. Second free throw, no good. Rebound by Gaspar to Santi. Santi attacking at the center five. No good. Intercepted by Jimmy to Rapi. Rapi pass. No good. Rebound by Ventura. He scored 51-40. 3-point lead by Cavite. Remaining time 6 minutes and 39 seconds. Okay, pintabu tayo. Players ng Arugaya at saka Paradise.
43 minutes.
Tamad Brown. Okay, back to the ball game. Chester, we are calling the attention of Chester. Chester, Tapia. Chester. Okay, go back to the ball game. Denmark, gathered by Garma. Garma still dribbling. Pass to Rafi. Emily Garcet. Pass to Tolentino. There's a foul to Tolentino.
Huwag kang manggigil.
Tatlo na yan, pre.
Third personal foul, Tolentino. First team foul.
Kasi nakuha na rin yung commissioner. Kasi dito mo yung edit na.
Okay, back to the ball game. Garma at the midcourt. Guarded by Denmark. There's a foul committed by number 23, Rafi Montero. Second foul. Second team foul. Gaspar to Santi. Santi guarded by Denmark. To Ventura from the three. A good rebound by Rafi Montero. The power of Etiba. To Denmark, guarded by Garma. Still delivering at the midcourt. To Rafi, to Jimmy Page. Pass! No good rebound by Gaspar. Gaspar to Santi. Santi attacking. Pass! Denmark. To Jimmy to Chiche Aquino. Aquino. To Tolentino, to Rafi. What a nice pass by Tolentino to Montero. The score 53-40. 5.3 by Cavite. Santiago, the Ventura. Ventura loses the ball. Cavite's ball.
Malaki tayo. Matuluyan. Papalitan si Jimmy.
Okay. Denmark. CJ from the three. CJ. 3 points. Okay, lumalaki na po ang lamang ng Cavite. 56-48. 8.8. Last 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Guarding. To Santiago. Santiago attacking. Pass. Good. There's a rebound by Jimmy. Rebound. Jimmy attacking. CJ is dribbling. Looking for his teammate. Using pass fake to Rafi. Rafi pass. What a nice power move by Rafi Montero. Okay. 10-point lead by Cavite, diba? 4 minutes and 20. Remaining in the fourth quarter. Garma to Gaspar 89. Garma to Garma again. There's a foul committed by number 2, Denmark. Cambio. Third team foul. Etiba. Connects. Last shot.
Rafi, alas 7:35.
Connects again. 2 points. 58-50. 8 lead by Cavite. Reagan. Laga sa Garma. Reagan. Looking for his teammate. Kumar. Reagan. Up. There's a foul by number 9. Cambio. Number 9. Third personal foul. Third team foul.
Putang, ang galing lang coach. Pula lang ang patataan din eh.
Last 14 seconds shot na.
Nasa coach nga din eh.
Well. Mark.
Nakakaya mo din eh.
No good. Rebound by Mark. 14 seconds shot na.
Ayaw ko na gano'n! Bawal yun!
Gaspar Paes. No good. There's a foul committed by Aquino. Number 11. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Etibac. Cambio.
Isang Los Bulldog na yung...
Pwede yun, ano, labas muna.
Gaspar missed his first people. Gaspar second free throw, good. Score 58-51, 7-point lead by Team Etibac. Last 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Ruben Acadito, gathered by Santiago. Still dribbling. Gathered by Santiago. Aquino pass to Rafi pass. Got a cover move by Rafi Montero. 23 up, Newborn Etibac. The score 60-51, 9-point lead. Gaspar five, good rebound number 4. To Raven. Raven gathered by Santiago. Santiago to dribbling. To CJ. CJ from the 3. No good. There's a loose ball committed by number 15, Mark Money, the 360, Lord Delis. Gaspar to Agustin, to Santiago, to Ventura from the 3. No good. David's ball. Rafi, up. Traveling goal. It's a traveling goal committed by Rafi Montero of Etibac.
He is dancing now.
Okay.
May tugtog, pinatugtog.
Last 2 minutes and 29 seconds.
Salabay.
To Ventura. Ventura guarded by number 4. Pass, the good. Rebound by Mark. To number 1, Wilder. Last 2 minutes and 15 seconds. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Rafi. Again. Last 15 seconds. Shot clock. To Mark. To Ready. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Time out! New Etibac. Last 1 minute and 54 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. The score 60-51. 9-point lead by Newborn Etibac.
Hindi ka naman mag-download eh. Magtrabaho ka lang sa Lamoco eh. Magtrabaho ka lang sa Lamoco. Padalong sa dito pa rin.
So, tubig rin.
Ba't tayo bumili ng tubig?
Tubig mo yun.
May tao ba? May tao ba doon?
Meron.
Ayun na, meron.
Coach!
Wag.
Seguimos, chicos, seguimos.
Basic.
Hey, back to the ball game. Last quarter, last quarter.
Bola nila.
Okay. Cabinis ball. Last 1 minute and 54 seconds. 1 minute and 54 seconds. Kabuch ball. Santiago.
Patos.
Penetrated. Hard. To number 1 is EJ. Ang easy ball. The score 62-51. To Benji. To Santiago from the defense. Benji from the defense. To Santiago. Pass. No good. Rebound by Rafi. To Raven guarded by Santi. Intercepted by Santiago. Santiago all alone. Pass. Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute remaining in the fourth and last quarter. Rocky. There is a foul committed by number 1 of Team Kabuts.
Dapat na kinukuha nito.
Warning for penalty, Team Kabuts. Last 59 seconds.
Bola!
Mark to DJ from the 3, no good. Rebound by nobody. Last 51 seconds. Kabuts ball. Pass break. Santiago. Dante. Pinaway pass. No good. Rebound by Raiden. Raiden knocks. There is a foul committed by number 29, Santiago of Kabuts. Penalty. Last 41 seconds. Okay. Second game po tayo. Bihis na po kayo. Players, Arokaya versus Paradise. Arokaya Tamaraw. Tinamad na raw. First free throw of Raiden, no good. Second free throw, no good again. Rebound by number 1 to number 9. From the 3 point. Last 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Score. Oops. Last 26 seconds. There's a foul committed by Santi. Score 62-56.
Batang bukid yan. Injury yan.
Kamyo. EJ. Kamyar, no? Sa duele. Pretro. Pag-shooting dalawa. Si kamyar sa duele.
Last 26 seconds tayo. Last 26 seconds remaining in the court.
Kupal talaga, no?
First free throw, no good.
Baba na.
Marami po mangyayari dyan. 26 seconds pa ha. 6-point lead lang yun. 6-point lead. Second free throw. No good again. Rebound by Benji. Santi. From the 3. No good. Rebound by CJ. Oops, there's a foul. Number 9. Graduate. Number 9. Last 16 seconds, shot clock. 16 seconds remaining in the fourth. The score 62-56. CJ at the free throw line.
Hey! Atin ang bola. Atin yun. Dalawang tiro yun.
No good again, CJ. No good again on the second try. Okay, Cabitis ball. Last 16 seconds. 16 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. To number 4. Number 4 to CJ. Foul! There's a foul number 1. Not counted.
Pag 3 points, pag may guwarap yan.
Last 10 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. The score is 62-56. Again. Okay, the next. Second free throw by CJ. Connects again. Last 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Simple. Kamay tayo. Let's be friendly. Okay, final score. 61.